All right. Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for being here today. I'm Councilwoman Yasamin Ansari representing Phoenix District 7. I'd like to thank you. Really huge thank you to Mayor Gallego for being here, to Councilwoman Guardado for partnering with us. Also, thank you to Councilwoman Pastor's team for partnering with us, and a huge thanks to Case, the Case team who's been out, I understand from noon today, knocking on doors in the heat. Really appreciate it. And thank you so much to all of the other volunteers who are here. I think you all know the reason we're here today is to make sure that we inform folks who live in these zip codes with some of the lowest vaccination rates in the city of Phoenix, why it's so important to get vaccinated, that it's safe, that it's effective, and it's the best way that we can all get back to normal and resume our lives. We have been doing a lot of events like this. A couple weeks ago, we did a vaccination event just like this in Laveen. We knocked on doors, we texted folks, we talked to local businesses, and we had more than 650 people turn out, which is fantastic. So that's exactly what we're hoping to do this time as well. We know there's a lot of barriers, whether that's, people speaking Spanish or not having access to technology. So this is the best way we can overcome barriers, is really going door to door, talking to people and meeting them where they're at and hosting these sites, again, in their community. So thank you guys for being here on a Friday night. I know it's not a small ask, but it means a lot. And if you can, hit 30, 40, 50 doors tonight, have conversations, it'll really go a long way. And really will be to the benefit of all of us. So with that, I'd like to hand it over to Mayor Gallego.
Can we get a round of applause for Councilwoman Ansari and her team for organizing us? We are going to beat this pandemic one vaccination at a time. Thank you for being part of the effort to vaccinate Phoenix. We want to make it as easy as possible, so we're out in the community, at parks, at schools, at places our residents know, telling them that you can get a vaccination, that it's free. We want to work with you on your schedule. So thank you. The West Side needs this investment. The city's been proud to partner. We are not in the lead on vaccinations, but we want to support our community. We also continue to offer testing for free on the West Side. If you know anyone who has COVID, you can go to the Maryville Community Center and get a test. We really have a team effort and have come together with an amazing group of councilwomen today. Councilwoman Ansari has been leading us, but I'm thrilled Councilwoman Guardado has been out knocking on doors, talking to residents, sharing her story of getting vaccinated, and we are grateful for the partnership. So I will welcome Councilwoman Guardado to say a few words.
Muy buenas tardes a todos. Mi nombre es Betty Guardado y yo soy la concejal del Distrito 5 representando una buena parte de Maryville. Y el día de hoy estamos aquí porque así como estuvimos con ustedes hace un año ofreciendo el test, el examen, el día de hoy estamos ofreciendo la vacuna. Sabemos de que mucha gente, la gente trabajadora es la gente que fue la más afectada por esta pandemia. Tenemos los casos más altos del COVID en el lado del West Side y tenemos los menos resultados cuando viene en vacunas. Sabemos que hay mucha incertidumbre, sabemos que hay mucho miedo y una de las cosas que queremos hacer es asegurarnos de que traemos la vacuna hacia la comunidad. Vamos a estar tocando puertas, hemos estado tocando puertas, queremos asegurarnos que por nuestros hijos, por el bien de la gente clase trabajadora, sabemos que la gente trabajadora es la que más ha sido afectada en este tiempo de la pandemia. La gente rica sigue siendo rica y la gente pobre no tiene que darle de comer a sus hijos y cómo asegurarse de que puedan seguir pagando su renta. Entonces, los invitamos el día de mañana. Vamos a estar en la Escuela Peralta, aquí en la 71 Avenida y la Encanto, de 9 de la mañana a 2 de la tarde. Por favor, dejen ese miedo, es importante que todos se pongan su vacuna. Y también quiero dar gracias a todas las personas que están aquí el día de hoy tocando las puertas. Mil gracias. Case Action ha estado en el West Side por los últimos por los últimos 10, 12 años, moviendo la comunidad de Maryville, moviendo a la gente del West Side, y les quiero dar yo personalmente las gracias por todo el impacto que han hecho, y gracias por estar con nosotros el día de hoy y tocando puertas, y vamos a vencer esta pandemia. Gracias. Y ahora lo voy a regresar a la concejal Yasmin Ansari.
Thank you. Okay, with that, so again, the event is tomorrow from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. at Peralta Elementary School in Maryville. We hope that everyone will come join us, whoever hasn't been vaccinated. Now, for all volunteers, we have materials over here. Erin is going to give you everything that you need, teach you what you need to say, but it's super easy. If you're gonna actually knock on doors and have conversations, which we hope you will, we do have a script for you, and they're smaller packets. And if you're just gonna drop, the packets are a little bit larger, so we hope that you'll cover more doors. Thank you again.